Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unshakable Shweta. I'm here for the very first time recording my first video on YouTube, and I'm using this platform to share my personal experience with you all, which I think might help you all in understanding and dealing with the difficult situations in your life with more strength, with more courage, and less of fear. Guys, this is my personal experience with a deadly virus called coronavirus. It all started on the evening of 6th June 2020 when my husband he returned from his office after attending an official meeting, which he did after a complete good 3 months of lockdown. During all these 3 months of lockdown, we were super conscious of following all the precautions that were necessary in order not to contact this virus. And why I say we were super conscious? Because we are blessed with 10-month-old daughter named Kavya. So guys, when you have a kid in your home, you feel all the more conscious and worried about this virus. Anyhow, on that day when he returned home, he was feeling very tired, and I was not able to relate this tiredness with his personality because my husband, Amit, he is of a personality who is very energetic, very active. But I was not very concerned at that point of a time because I thought maybe after a gap of 3 months, he's feeling such kind of tiredness. So, anyhow, he had his dinner on that day early and he slept. The following morning, he woke up. He woke up with a mild headache and still he was feeling the same tiredness. Now, this started raising questions into my mind as to why he is still feeling tired, because he is not of a personality who will feel such kind of tiredness even after having a sound sleep. I was thinking, I hope it is not related anything with coronavirus. But I was not very vocal about these thoughts because I thought maybe during the running of the day he will feel fine. Afternoon approached, I saw that his condition started getting worse. By now, he has developed body aches, his normal headache turned into severe headache, and he has developed a fever of 100.3 degree Fahrenheit. Guys, this fever was a trigger with us because immediately we started relating the symptoms of corona with that of Amit's symptom, be it the tiredness, the headache, the body aches, the fever. So we started having discussion with each other. Amit was trying to recall all the interactions that he had the last day when he was in office. He was trying to recall whether he has met somebody with cough, who was having a cough, or who was feeling unwell, but he was not able to come to any answers to these questions. So we decided that in order to put period to our dilemma, let's go in for a COVID test right away. Guys, the very next challenge now that we have was how and where to get this test done, because at that time the government guidelines were such that if any person is not showing severe corona symptoms at least for 2 to 3 days, that person will not be tested. So here we were lucky enough because I have a sister who is a doctor, so we decided to take her help and we got Amit's sample done that very afternoon. Now, after giving a sample, we had to wait for another 24 hours because at that time, corona reports took 24 hours to come in. Now, this 24 hours was nothing less than a nightmare. Yes, and why I say so? Because we were very unsure whether the virus is with us or not. I started observing my daughter Kavya very closely. Is she eating fine? Is she feeling fine? You won't believe, I started checking her temperature after every 30 minutes. That kind of a fear corona brings into you. So we both decided that we have to deal with this situation more intelligently. Now we have to be double conscious about following the precautions. So there were few things that we decided, like we decided we are not going to watch TV anymore, especially any news on corona. We are not going to entertain any phone calls of near and dear ones if it is related to corona. We are not going to surf the net because we wanted to close the door of information on corona. We were in no mood to hear anything on corona at that time. The next thing that we decided was that since Amit was showing these symptoms, so it was very important that the physical space separation should be there now. So we decided that Amit will be staying in one room and me and Kavya will be staying in the other room. Guys, I'm recording this video in the same room where Amit was quarantined. I'll be taking you through this room in my coming videos. So, on that night, we were having very mixed feeling as to what will happen, how we going to deal with the situation, what will be the result. But then I reminded Amit that we have to have all the strength in order to face the situation, because if we will not have the courage to face the situation, we will not be able to face it. We have to be positive, we have to be strength to each other. So with all these mixed feelings, we dozed off on that night. So I woke up the next morning with the very first thought that today is the day. What it's going to be? Will Amit be tested positive in the very first sample? Has all three of us has been infected or only Amit has been infected? What if Kavya was also been infected? How we are going to deal with the situation? So all these thoughts were coming that morning. Guys, what happened next with us? I'm going to share the rest part of my story in the next part of my video. Hope you will watch it. And guys, in order to give support and love, please hit the like button and subscribe if you like it. Until then, take care. God bless you.